Basically, the front motors are here. The main 4 motors are here mixed with the rudder and then mixed with this stick.
Really?
So if I bring the mains up, the 4 motors, I got left, right, upsy, downsy.
Wow. What do you do when you do down here then?
Well, I just slap this one forward and pray that it keeps the forward airspeed up.
Okay.
The moment I get off of this one, I'm in trouble.
Really?
Until I'm landing. Then I cock it down to maybe quarter, and then it's all about whatever is left.
Holy smokes.
Please work. Sounds healthy. I'm going to let trim action. See how that works?
That's cool.
Taking the load off that front gear for sure. Woo! Woo! No jack.
Oh, that is cool.
Come on, keep going, keep going. Don't go with the fan. Go with the fence.
Woo!
Woo! Okay, at least you didn't hit the fence.
I didn't. You know, I should have kicked the nose throttle up a little more. I couldn't get my finger down there.
Oh no! Why'd you say something?
At least that foam's through.
It might be all right.